2017 Toyota Highlander. This vehicle is featured in white metallic paint with alloy rims. We have our rear privacy tint, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, lumbar support, and backup camera. Now on to the interior of the Highlander. On our door panel we can see we have our black and our dark wood trim. We also have our chrome accents and dark brown. Our chrome door handle, memory seat options, and below that we have our automatic windows for front and rear and mirror adjustment. Underneath we have our JBL speaker system, 2 cup holders and storage. Inside of the seat we'll find our power adjustable seats and lumbar support. To the left of the steering wheel we have our heated steering wheel option, park assist, and vehicle controls. Our gauge cluster with screen, multi-function leather wrapped heated steering wheel. Behind is our cruise control stalk, and there's our lane departure warning. Our push start, analog clock, or digital clock I should say, just above our infotainment screen. We have our CD player, backup cameras built in, then our dual zone climate controls. Underneath we have a small storage compartment, and then we have some additional vehicle controls and charging outlets. Our gear selection stalk, 2 cup holders, heated and cooled seat controls, dial to the red for heated and blue for cooled. Center console area, it's dual opening. Plenty of storage room inside and removable tray. We also have a charging outlet underneath. The front seats are featured in black leather with perforated leather in the lower portion. Again, these are heated and cooled seats with our lumbar support. And above our rear view mirror, we have a sunglass holder, gray headliner, and panoramic sunroof overhead. Back on the exterior, we can see our alloy rims with Toyota badge center caps. We have paint match mirror caps beside indicators and paint match door handles. Running boards in the bottom, rear privacy tint. And around to the back we have our Highlander and limited badging in chrome, our hitch, power liftgate, inside of which we have plenty of storage room and the handles to fold down the rear 60/40. Now onto the rear interior, we can see we have our rear sunshades. We also have our chrome door handle, automatic window, JBL speaker and storage. The controls to fold down our rear captain seats. Then we have our rear magazine holders back of the front seats. You can see we have a heated seat option for the rear bucket seats. And we also have our rear climate control. Our 2 bucket seats in the back here with leather armrests that can also fold up. And our fold down storage with 2 cup holders. Just fold it down using this lever there. And in the far back we have a 60/40 split. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2017 Toyota Highlander. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in that Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.